Alright guys, here we have an unboxing, and just we've used these before as a quickish review, but very quick. We won't actually show you printing, but I'll give you an honest opinion. It's the Epson XP-355. It's the Expression Home model, and it is, it actually is a good little printer. It comes with like a little sample pack of paper as well, 10 high quality pieces of paper. The downside, and it seems to be an Epson thing, they give you just setup cartridges, and a lot of cartridges and printers, they say to you, right, we're going to give you setup cartridges, but basically, they're the same capacity as normal ones. But with Epson, they literally give you enough ink to set up your printer. So if you're buying this printer, it's a nice, economical printer. It's cheap, but you have to really have a backup set of cartridges. I'm going to put a link into the description, and I'll show you where to get some cartridges, which is usually the cheapest place will be Amazon, and I'll check it regular and I'll update it, but at the moment Epson have got the best deal on Amazon. So I'll just open this up quickly and show you what's in there. Alright, so you get a power cable, which is handy, because believe it or not, some printers don't even give you that. Right. So down the side here is the disc. There's those cartridges I was telling you about. So they look exactly the same, and they're setup cartridges. And another thing that's quite unusual is that once you've set up this printer with these, if you happen to have another set, which we did at one stage, we had a couple of sets of these, and this actual printer will only take one setup set. So I'll just get it out and give you a look at it. Just get it out there. So it's get this out quickly. Just be nice and careful. Just support it. Give you a look at this printer. Like I said, it's nice and light, but at the same time it's definitely strong. It's not a flimsy printer by any means. Take off the styrofoam. Look at what it looks like. It is it's nice printer actually. It is very nice. Grab that off there. So I'm going to let on the protection and everything, because that'll just take time to get off. But I'll tell you, when you are taking this apart, you need to take off all these bits of plastic. You need to take off these little tapes. Go around now, there's more there. So the paper feeds from the back here. Very handy when you take these off. And the one thing with Epson, they're very good. Their instructions are pretty good about how to set up and stuff, unlike other manufacturers. Let's give you a look at the bottom of it. It's pretty simple. That's where your power cable goes, in there. There's the model number, serial number. If you ever have a problem with it, again, Epson are pretty good. Provide a serial number and try to remember where you got the item. They're usually pretty good about replacing or helping you if there's an issue. But of course, if you use compatible cartridges, they probably won't be as helpful. But from experience, I would not put anyone off using compatible cartridges, because they do work really well these days. It's not like before, where compatible cartridges were basically rubbish. Technology has moved along a lot, and very often they match, if not better, the Epson ones. They're very often a lot more ink in the compatible ones, and there's no point. I think companies realize that people are not stupid. They're not going to buy rubbish compatibles, so there's very often very good premium ones out there. And again, I'll put a link in to our recommended ones. Thank you very much.